As you can see, we currently only have one proof within the album proofer. If you have designed wall art and or cards, you can add this to the preview page. Simply scroll down here to the lower right hand side and select, where you can select the album and the card, the album and the wall art, or all three. But not only that, the new album proofer gives us, the photographer, the power to show our most favourite spread in the album design. To change the spread, simply hover over this spread design and select, and you can change and show whichever spread you would like in the proofing template for your client to see. Once you are happy with how the landing page will look, it's time to upload your proof. To do this, simply click Next.